Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do it, right-click the desktop, the empty space on your desktop, then select Personalize, and in the following window you'll be able to change the background by clicking right here and then selecting one of the four options you have right here. So the first option for your wallpaper is, let me expand, is picture. And as for picture, that's basically just a single photo that you can use as a background of your device. You can choose between recent images. For me, those are the default Microsoft images. And if you click browse photos, you can choose your own photo from File Explorer. To do it, just double click the photo from anywhere in your File Explorer. Alternatively, you can use solid color, and solid color lets you put just one color as the background of your display. You can choose one of the default ones, or you can select the custom color by clicking view colors and creating a color that you like. The third option is Slideshow, and this feature lets you put a slideshow on your background. To do this, you have to click browse and select a folder from which you want a slideshow, from which you want the photos to be taken for a slideshow. You can change the frequency of pictures changing by expanding this list and selecting the value that fits you, and you can shuffle the picture order in the folder by switching this toggle to the right. And you can also let the slideshow run even if a laptop runs on battery power by switching this toggle to the right. And you can also choose a feed for your desktop image by expanding this list and selecting the value that you like the most. Now, the last option is Windows Spotlight, and if you select it, you will get one random photo as the background of your device that changes every once in a while, and you can learn more about the photo that you see by clicking right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.